Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating the file meets the service rules. Check type and size limits so the upload won't fail. Once confirmed, navigate to the folder where the file lives and note its name. Then open the website or app and click the Upload, Attach, or Choose File button to start. Make sure you're signed in with the right account because some destinations restrict uploads. After clicking the control, a file picker opens. Select the file and press Open to hand it off to the app. Once the file is selected, the app usually shows an upload progress bar or %. Watch it to confirm activity. If prompted, add a descriptive title, tags, or target folder so the file is organized where you need it. Make sure to avoid switching networks, closing the window, or sleeping your device while the transfer runs because interruptions cause partial uploads. If the service supports resumable uploads, it will recover, but if not, you may need to retry from the beginning after ensuring a stable connection. After the progress completes, confirm the upload by checking for a success message, thumbnail, or the file appearing in your list. Once visible, open the preview or re-download the file to verify it's intact and the format displays correctly. This step prevents surprises later. If you encounter errors, clear browser cache or try a different browser, then re-attempt. Key troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail repeatedly, compress the file below the size limit or switch to a wired connection to rule out network instability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.